What's up guys, this is HalloweenSwain and this is the exercise number 10. Now this exercise is kind of intermediate, and after this one we are going to make one expert level exercise as well. So as you can see, for this one we don't have any drawing or anything else. It's just like you should know the technique, and once you know the technique how to make this kind of a shape, you can make your own as well. So as we can start the video, we are going to start with the top view, and for this one we are going to use Polygon, and just make it 60 and make the size as 16. And now the one thing we can do is just go for a construction line and make this line is horizontal, and our sketch is done. So we are going to use the extrude command for all of this, and the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go downward, but if you can see there is a taper angle over here, and the taper angle we are going to use is -45. So it's if you can go down, it's going to just end at a one point. So this is the first part. Now the second thing we are going to do is the extrusion on a top part. Just go for a 5 and that would be good. Now again we are going for the extrude. Now this time we are again going for -5, and we are going a bit top. Let's just go for 25. 25 looks a bit extra, just go for 20. Okay, so as you can see, it's already looking like a diamond. Now the other parts we are going to do so that it's exactly like a diamond. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to make a sketch on YZ plane. Now in order to get the points, this points it's really helpful for us. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the project, go for a project, go for a body, and we are going to use the link, and that's it. So right now we had the body already. Now we're going to just hide the body. It's easier for us now to see the entire part. Now we are going to make the point like this. The second one is not needed. Here we go, just a one line, and that's it. The second thing we can do is you can add one more line here like this. Now we probably need one more construction line so that we can use a mirror command for these two lines, and here we go. So this one is done as well. Here we go. We are gonna just show the body. Now we are gonna extrude this two part. Is again go for profile, this one and this profile. Now again go for a symmetric. We are going to extrude both the sides, and that's it. Now we are going to use the circular pattern. So we are going to use a feature, this one, and the axis is this axis, and we can go as many, like as detailing as detail you want. Now we are going for a 6, and that's it. So as you can see, our diamond is ready. Now if you want to make this diamond is more precise, you can just simply has to add the plane through 3 points. Now this is one of the method, this is not the only method, so you can just select this 3 points and just go for OK. Now okay, so this is the plane over here. Now you have to make a sketch and repeat the same procedure, make a triangle, and you can make as sharp as you can want, and it's gonna look like this, the another layer. So this is how you can make the simple diamond shape or any other shapes if you want. I'm simply gonna make another like this, but a bit of a different shape, so you are gonna know more about this. So this is the simple exercise. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and help me on a Patreon. And the next exercise would be around intermediate to expert level. So we are going to make something difficult, or maybe something a bit more interesting. So see you on exercise number 11.